Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I want to take you through what a pamper night looks like for me. This particular night was a Sunday and I was off work the next day. My son was out of school, so I knew it would be a great opportunity to relax and give myself a little TLC. Once I get a bath started, I light a candle to get a nice scent going throughout the room. I picked up this candle at the Dollar Tree and actually grabbed a second one for a recent giveaway. I'll link that video down below if you haven't seen it. This candle smells amazing. Any night I decide to relax in a bath, I do throw in some Epsom salt and a yummy scented bath bomb, and this night was no different. Once I'm all settled into the bath, I put on a face mask. I am loving this Garnier mask right now. It leaves my skin feeling so soft and is really inexpensive. I also did hand mask gloves, but totally missed getting video there. I hope you enjoy this silly and scary footage of the mask, and here are the gloves I used. After leaving those masks on for 10 to 15 minutes, I worked in a protein and deep conditioning treatment for my hair. In hindsight, I should have done that while I had the other two on, but hey, I didn't have anything better to do than relax. Okay, my ladies watching, you all knew this was coming. What do we usually do when we are pampering ourselves? That's right, we shave those legs. I prefer doing this in the bath, but I also enjoy using this coffee scrub, and it not only makes the bath water look not so appealing, it also leaves behind an oily residue, much like bath bombs. So while I'm already in deep, I go with it. I guess I'll be posting a cleaning video soon of me tackling that. In all seriousness though, everything about this scrub is amazing. It allows your skin to get a close shave, which leaves it extra soft, and it smells delicious. I don't treat myself too much as a mom, but this scrub and the shave cream I'm using, I absolutely love. Now I decide to move to the shower because who wants to wash their hair in brown coffee scrub water? I alternate my shampoos often between Redken's Dandruff Shampoo and their Color Extend Magnetic Shampoo. I'm convinced that my hair gets accustomed to shampoos after a while and it stops reacting well, so I like to keep it guessing. Either way, I leave it on for a few minutes, then I move on to conditioner. I recently read that conditioners for curls were much more moisturizing than regular conditioners, so I picked up this Quenching Coconut Curls by OGX, and it's amazing. I have waves in my hair if I let it air dry, and I feel like this has been just what it needs. It smells awesome too. I leave it on for about 5 minutes. Now that I'm out of the shower, I lotion up and deodorant up using this Amlactin Alpha Hydroxy Lotion and this Schmidt's Rose and Vanilla Natural Deodorant. I've tried 2 scents in this, and while I like the rose and vanilla, lavender and sage is actually my favorite, so I think I'm going to go back to that. It did take me a while to find a natural deodorant that actually worked for me. They would either break out my skin or they didn't do a good job with the stink. It really is trial and error, you guys. The next thing I try to do every night, but especially on pamper nights, is take care of my face. I do have rosacea, which can be very sensitive, so I use this prescription foam called Finacea. Then I actually use 2 different lotions. I use the PM on the area of my skin that is most sensitive and the AM on the other areas. They work together to keep my skin super soft and free of redness. I'd love to hear in the comments below if you've struggled with any skin issues. I thought I had rosacea for the longest time, but every dermatologist I visited said it wasn't that. After I had my son, I decided to try just one more time a new dermatologist, and she diagnosed me right away. It was so amazing to finally do research towards something specific, and although it's been a journey, it's been something that with proper skincare items, I've been able to handle well. I usually wouldn't blow dry, but I wanted to start the next day with a nice smooth hairstyle. Time to condition again and wrap up this pamper night. realizing watching this back that I am all over the place when I'm blow drying my hair. I hope you guys are keeping up okay. Thank you guys for watching this Pamper Night routine. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe if you did and hit that bell icon so you receive notifications when I upload, or follow me on Instagram because I share it there too. The link to that is below as well. Have a great week.